Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. Now we want to add a chart for this, and this will be insert charts and click here. And by clicking here it means we are trying to add a chart from this data here. This will be a chart. Let's use a line chart, and it shows us the chart showing over the period of time how kitchen, living and washer sales are moving. Let's insert a sheet here and called it dashboard. Cut this chart and paste here. Let's go back and create another chart for this, and this one is insert. Let's do a data bars like this. Cut and paste here, and this is sales by country. Now we'll have another pivot table from data. Use existing sheet here, and let's create a by category sales, formatting the numbers, and call this sales by category. We created these two pivot charts from these two pivot tables. Let's create another chart for sales by category, and this will be a pie chart like this. Let's cut this and paste here. We'll create this dashboard later. It's just finishing and formatting and appearance. And create another chart from this pivot table, which is a map chart. Well, we cannot create a map chart directly from a pivot table, so what we'll here is I'll move this pivot table here. I'll copy this and paste as values. Now let's create a chart for map, and it will look like this. Once this is created, let's move this data. You can move this data by right click and select data, edit. This U3 will be R3. This U here will be R. This U here will be R. I'm just trying to move this selection to here. You cannot directly insert a chart for map from a pivot table, so we copied this data here, and now I'm trying to move the selection to here. Press OK, edit this, and instead of T this will be Q. And there we go. Now this one is selected here. We can get rid of this. We'll cut this chart and paste here. So in this case, let's get rid of these. We can right click here and say hide all field button on chart. This will hide buttons. We can go to pivot chart analyzer and click here to hide this pivot chart field like this, and there we go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in next video.